Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you how you can put back together your gear shifter in case you already open it but you're struggling to put it back. This is the right video for you. In a previous video I showed you how you can open it and repair your gear shifter if you're using this kind of gear shifter. If you haven't watched it yet, go and check it out. This is Shimano gear shifter ST-EF40-7R. I had a problem with it, so I opened it, disassemble, repairing it. Now it's the time to put it back. Before we continue, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join our community so that when we upload the next video you will be notified. The first part of our gear shifter that we're going to put back is this little round thing with 6 gaps. So if you look carefully, you can see which side is going to connect with the other side that is already here, because if you putting it back the wrong side like this, it will not go in. So make sure you're putting it back the right side and it connects properly. Next, we are going to put back these two sides together. So to make sure you are doing it correct, keep testing the shifter if it is working and see the movement. As you can see here on your screen, it is working. That's what we need. So let's continue. The next part, it looks similar like the one we had at the beginning. So make sure you're putting it on the right side, because if you put it to the wrong side, it won't go in. So if you feel like it's not connecting properly, which means you need to try to flip it over until it joins well. From here we are going to put our first spring. We are done with this stage. Now we can close it and screw it very well and try to shift if it is shifting. If it doesn't shift, which means you did something wrong, we must start it again. But in my case, everything is going well, everything is perfect, so let's screw it. The next part is we're going to put back a second spring. Remember, we already put one spring, but this spring you need to be careful because there is a hole. There is a hole where this spring needs to go. So the smaller side of the spring will go into that little hole, while the bigger side will be connected to the second part. This is the next part. It has a little gap on the side that shows you where you're going to connect with the spring. So that's the gap you're going to connect it. So make sure you connect it there and turn it clockwise until it feels tight. Then you press it down. The next part we're going to put back is going to be the lower shifter. Make sure it points the same side where the high shifter is pointing. Now you need to hold on into this. Press your thumb or keep your finger to hold it, because if you don't, it might come out. The spring can push it out. Our next part is this one. It looks like a little pipe, I would say. So we're going to put this one next. Next, we are going to put our last spring. That also goes into a little hole, and the other side will also be connected with the next part. At this point, before we put the screw back, we need to put two pads on the other side of the shifter. These two. We need to put these two back because the screw will be connecting these pads. So I'll show you in the moment. While I'm doing this, I'm still keeping my finger, my thumb on the other side, especially on the lower shifter, because I'm protecting it from popping out. Now we can put the screw back. It has washer, and this washer on the side you can see there is a little gap. That's the gap that is going to connect with the spring. Move the washer until the spring goes into that gap. Then you turn the washer clockwise until it feels tight, until it feels like the spring is pushing it back. Now you can keep it with your thumb and start tightening the screw. Now let's see if I did it right. It will shift from the highest number to the lowest number. That's the lowest gear, I suppose. So this is how we do it. It is working. You can see right there. Finally, I need to put the adjuster screw back, and I don't need to screw this too much. It must just be visible on the other side. Now we can put it back and connect all our cables. So tell me if this video was helpful to you, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Like, share this video with your friends. Let me know what you're thinking about. Drop your comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.